Okay, so remember the 1999 Bryant Aero Quiet System heat pump? Well, it finally got replaced. A brand new Bosch heat pump. Interesting. SEER. This could have been running yesterday. It got up to like almost 80 degrees, but today it's in the 50s, so it probably won't be running in either heat or cool mode. There it is. And then luckily, this unit still remains, which I'm happy about. I really like this unit. Sadly, because of renovation, it was not running this year in heat mode, which kind of sucks. I wanted to get it defrosting again, considering it sounds really nice. It's from 2008, and I think it's a 3-ton. So yeah, brand new Bosch. Thank you for watching, and over and out.